Microsoft just announced many new AI products and services at their Microsoft Build opening keynote, and this has created quite a buzz in the AI community. Microsoft kicks off its presentation by promising the launch of new plugins and aiming to expand its use of AI across its apps, aiming to allow more efficiency and convenience in the workplace for developers. The keynote highlighted many major things Microsoft has on its checklist. What are the latest launches that we expect to see this year? Let's find out in today's video. In the annual Microsoft Build keynote, CEO Satya Nadella shared his innovation plans to transform the workplace, but the major focus of this keynote was, of course, AI. Nadella shared that the main ambition of the company is to create more AI-powered products to keep up with the heated AI race. It was announced that Microsoft is bringing Copilot, an AI personal assistant, to Windows 11. This is the same AI assistant that Microsoft has already integrated across platforms like Edge, Office, and GitHub. Microsoft has been really busy in the past few months as they've been building generative AI and integrating it into many new products and services, and their efforts aren't slowing anytime soon. Since Copilot is going to be embedded in Windows 11, users will be able to ask general questions from Copilot as if they were using a browser. Windows Copilot, integrated with Bing Chat, will make it easier for users to get personalized answers and relevant suggestions, and will allow them to take quick action. Microsoft aims to increase convenience by facilitating users with Copilot located in the sidebar of Windows. Not only this, but the Copilot also works fine as a virtual assistant that can summarize documents and emails for you. This is such a great initiative, and it seems like Copilot is going to revolutionize Windows for good. Windows Copilot will be released for preview in the month of June. But that's not all, because Microsoft Copilot also supports plugins now. This includes different types of plugins such as team message extensions, Power Platform connectors, and ChatGPT and Bing plugins. Another big update from the keynote was the integration of Bing with ChatGPT, which is honestly insane. We all have seen the amazing capabilities of GPT, and now Bing is being integrated into the AI language model, which will further enhance its capabilities. ChatGPT will now be able to provide current and up-to-date answers, as it will have Bing integrated with it, which provides more detailed information than any other browser. By doing so, the users will be able to access information via Bing in GPT by just enabling a simple plugin. Another major highlight from the 2023 Microsoft keynote was the number of plugins that were introduced. These plugins are the result of collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI and are aimed at accelerating Bing's ecosystem. These plugins include Expedia, Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, Redfin, TripAdvisor, and Zillow. These plugins that will be integrated into the Bing ecosystem will perform unique functions, enhancing the capabilities of Bing in general. With Expedia, travelers will be able to book airline tickets, hotels, and even the destination of their travel without any hassle. Instacart will allow users to shop and order stuff at the convenience of their homes by just using Bing. With Kayak, users will be able to access a virtual assistant that is ready for conversation. There are many other plugins that are going to become part of Bing, which include Bands in Town, Bohita, Cloudflare, Coopert, Fair Portal, Fiscal Note, Lexi Shopper, Likewise, Notable, One Word Domains, Prompt Perfect, Shopify, Skyscanner, Spotify, Spodnana, and Trip.com. This will make it easy for users to access their required apps without any effort, which is what Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella explained that the company wants to do. While discussing the major elements the company aims to fulfill, CEO Nadella also stressed the importance of having a modern workspace. In his own words, modernizing the workspace will allow developers to be more creative and innovative. To modernize the workspace, Microsoft aims to use Microsoft 365. It is a complete, secure, and intelligent solution that rolls together with Office 365 and Windows 10 as well. Wait till you hear this. Microsoft 365 is going to be available in 2 different versions. One will be Microsoft Enterprise, and the other is going to be Microsoft Business. This will allow users to select the appropriate version for their organization, making it easy for them to use in a workspace and enhancing it efficiently. Not only this, but the implementation of Microsoft 365 will improve the level of teamwork and security as well. Talking about security, you will be shocked to hear how serious Microsoft is about the security factor, and to admit that, it is relying on Azure Information Protection. By using Azure Protection, users will be able to classify, label, and protect documents based on their content. With Azure, developers will be able to uncover organization-specific insights from data such as texts and images, and this will be done using natural language-based application interfaces. This protection will stick with the document wherever it is shared. Users can also add watermarks to protect their shared documents, which is a great feature to prevent misuse of the information. During the keynote, Microsoft also shared the ability of Microsoft 365's AI functionality to improve readability in Word, make it easy to visually represent data in Excel, and offer creative ideas for the creation of 3D images with PowerPoint presentations. I think Microsoft 365 is going to be a great AI tool, as it will allow users to play with it and create meaningful data. This will definitely reduce the time it takes to prepare a good presentation in PowerPoint. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think that this would be a great tool for creating presentations? Let us know in the comments down below. Another important element discussed in the keynote was the use of Microsoft Dynamics 365. CEO Satya Nadella shared that businesses need more modern and modular apps that will allow them to grow further. To help businesses prosper even further, Microsoft proposed that Dynamics 365 can be integrated with LinkedIn. During the keynote, a preview was shown of how easily Dynamics 365 can pull a LinkedIn profile and contact someone with it through the Sales app. This can allow users to share data and presentations with contacts, and also view who those documents are being shared with. Dynamics 365 can also be used from within Outlook, which will allow users to display client engagement history in an Outlook side panel. With Dynamics 365, it will be easy to match up with clients directly from LinkedIn. Dynamics 365 is also connected with Office 365, which will make it easy to understand which client is available so that there are no clashes in the schedule. This will make it easy for businesses to understand their clients and work without any hassle. Nadella stated that the company wants to make things easy for its users, which is why we got to see a preview of many AI-powered applications that will surely make working and usage easy for both customers and developers. Other minute details from the keynote included a force quit option for Windows 11 with just the taskbar. This feature is similar to that in macOS and will allow Windows users to forcefully shut down crashed apps directly from the taskbar without even bothering to open the Task Manager. Microsoft confirmed at its Build Developers Conference that it will add this feature soon. Microsoft also announced that Windows 11 is going to have native support for RAR, and users are excited. Microsoft Build is a major event for developers, and the keynote address is always one of the most eagerly anticipated sessions. The 2023 keynote was no exception, and it provided a glimpse of the company's vision for the future of technology and how the company aims to do its best to provide its users and developers with the best apps to work with. Nadella closed the keynote by calling on developers to help the company build a more sustainable future. He highlighted the ways in which AI can be used to reduce our environmental impact and announced a number of new sustainability initiatives, including the Microsoft Climate Pledge, which commits the company to be carbon negative by 2030. If you like today's content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do you think that Microsoft integrating GPT with Bing is a great initiative? Let us know in the comments below.